Hello, Al. So we have bought a new house in Bolinini Iris. So we were looking for a good interior designer, and we inquired a lot of showrooms. And one of my friends referred Cookspace. So we went to their OMR showroom, OMR Road showroom, and the showroom was very good. The ambiences were very good. Designer that was assigned to it was Shamba. She was also very helpful, and the doubts that we had, she cleared all our doubts. And the engineer that they assigned to us, Gautam, he's a very excellent guy. So he delivered the interior to us on time, and the finishing and everything, the interior finishing and everything was also very good, up to the mark. And Gautam is very good at his work. I recommend Cookspace for each one of you who are looking for a very good interior designer in Chennai.